The IFITech 2MP bulb camera setup guide. Download the V380 Pro app from the App Store. Now insert the IFITech bulb camera into a regular bulb holder and switch it on. Turn off mobile data on your phone. Now connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Open the V380 Pro app. Tap on Add Device and select the camera ID shown in the app. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. The camera will share an OTP. Enter the OTP in the app to continue. Wait for a few seconds while the camera connects. Once connected, you will see the live video on your phone. Your camera is ready to use.